My student is going to try to park the truck and trailer. I'm just going to come over here and sit down out of the way. And this is going to be uncut, live, so to speak, as he tries to figure out how to do it. I'm going to try not to give him any help. I'm going to try to make him figure it out. So he's going to take that truck and trailer. He's going to put it in that hole. Now, there's not a whole lot of room, but there's enough room. So what he's doing right is he's turning into the spot. Now, all he has to do is do a slight S shape. He needs to come out towards the left side now. It's not coming out far enough. And he doesn't have the window down. I'm gonna have to get him on top of that again. Told him, whenever I'm outside the truck, always have the window down so he can hear me. So, he's kind of coming in sharp. He's going to try to get up underneath this trailer like I showed him. Now all he has to do is just slowly back it in. And he does this really slow. I do this quite a bit faster. Now he has the front wheels turned kind of hard. Yeah, see, he kind of realized that, so he brought them back around. You know, when you're backing up and you're going into your hole, you want to try to keep the truck and trailer as straight as you can so you can look out the driver's side window. You really don't want to be using your passenger side if you don't have to. Reason being, the passenger side is really hard to look out. And if you go to any of my videos where I'm backing up, you'll see that I primarily only look out the driver's side. So he's trying to get the tractor over to the driver's side now. Let's go up and let's take a look at what he's doing. I should probably use my GoPro instead. Oh well. So he's going down the wrong yellow line. I don't think he realizes that yet. So he's going to slowly, I guess, just try to eke it over to that other yellow line. I probably would have done it a little bit different. Yeah, see, he's turning up on it when he should really be turning the other way. Yeah, see, he didn't need to pull forward at all. He had it. We're dumping a lot of water out of the side now. So that probably means that the center compartment's defrosting. Center compartment's -20. This is a frozen dairy truck. Alright, so he just has to get these wheels over on that yellow line. Not the one closest to me, the one a little bit further away. The way he needs to do that is actually by turning left, and he's turning right now. Alright, if he keeps it like that, he'll be fine. That'll work. Not bad for a third day. Right on the yellow. So he could have done that a little bit better. But you know what? That's not bad. This is only his third day, maybe like 10th back. So he's learning pretty quick, and he's going to be on my truck for quite a while longer. You know, 200 hours, and we were at about 21 hours. Not bad. Just saw how he was parking at first. Yeah, it's painful, painful. Much better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Look at that.